Hello, I'm Nico over here at Charlie's Foreign Car in Encinitas, and we have some Porsche speedometer faces and instrument cluster gauge faces that we are replacing today. You can see the car came in, and it had some really badly cracked uh, instrument cluster faces. So that doesn't really look good. This is off of a 1990 Carrera 4. So what we ended up doing is we ended up making a whole bunch of these. These are all brand new. This is for the gasoline gauge and oil level gauge. This size over here is for the oil pressure and the oil level. And then we have this size over here for the tachometer. Some of these are the same, like the speedometer is the same as this one. Um, So we could do all these. There's 5 of them in the car. Only two of them are really bad. But what we're doing is you can see with the blue skin removed, this stuff is like brand new. Well, because it is brand new. We've got a brand new face that's going to go over the top of that, and then we have the bezel that goes down there. So right here, so that guy fits just like that. And then we've got this bezel right here that goes over the top of that. And then it has to be crimped down properly. So we have a crimper that we've custom made to crimp this piece back on. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this tool over here, and this bearing is going to come into contact with that bezel, and we're going to roll it across like so, and it's going to crimp over the bezel just perfectly. So we have a factory crimped edge. So that's all for now. So we've got all these lenses in stock, all custom cut just for Porsches. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.